Welcome back to our discussion on operations research. Myself, Dr. Debal Pramanik, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. We learned that operation research is a scientific approach to decision making, helping business and organization solve complex problems efficiently. In my last lecture, we have discussed about the features, applications, advantage, and models of operations research. Today, we are discussing about the linear programming. Before discussing the basic concepts and application of linear programming, it is important to understand the meaning of the word linear and programming. The word linear refers to learn relationship among variables in a model. That is, given change in one variable causes a proportional change in another variable. Now we are discussing the advantages of using linear programming. Linear programming techniques help decision makers to use their productive resources efficiently. Linear programming technique improves the quality of discussions and decisions. The decision-making approach of the user of this technique becomes more objective and less subjective. Linear programming technique helps to arrive at optimal solution of a decision problem by taking into consideration constraint on the use of resources. For example, saying that so many units of any product may be produced does not mean that all units can be sold. Now the applications areas of linear programming. Linear programming is mostly wide used technique of decision making in business and industry and in various other fields. In this section, broad application areas of linear programming are discussed. First of all, using in agriculture. These applications fall into categories of farm economics and farm management. The former deal with inter-regional competition, optimal allocation of crop production, efficient production patterns under regional land resources, and national demand constraints, while latter is concerned with the problems of the individual farm, such as allocation of limited resources such as exercises, labor, water supply, working capital, etc., so as to maximize the net revenue. Next one is military. Before discussing the military, we know that the operation research subject is coming from the military from Second World War. Military application include selection of an air weapon system against the enemy, ensure minimum use of aviation gasoline, updating supply chain to maximize the total tonnage of bombs dropped on a set of targets, and takes care of the problem of community defense against disaster at the lowest possible cost. Other applications are in production management, financial management, and marketing management. These are the basic and some limitations of linear programming method. In spite of having many advantages and wide areas of application, there are some limitations. These are: linear programming assumes linear relationships among decision variables. However, in real life problem, decision variables neither in objective function nor in the constraint are linearly related. Second one is, while solving an LPP model, there is no guarantee that decision variables will get integer value. For example, how many men or machines would be required to perform a particular job? A non-integer valued solution will be meaningless. Round up the solution to the nearest integer will not yield an optimal solution. Third one is, the linear programming model does not take into consideration the effect of time and uncertainty. Fourth one, parameters in the model are assumed to be constant but in real life situation they are frequently neither known nor constant. Fifth one is linear programming deals with only single objective, whereas in real life situation a decision problem may have conflicting and multiple objectives. So, linear programming is a powerful optimization tool that helps in making the best possible decisions under given constraints. Its application range from resource allocation to financial planning, supply chain management, and industrial productions. By providing an optimal solution within defined limitations, linear programming improves efficiency and decision making problems. As technology advances, linear programming continues to evolve, integrating with artificial intelligence and machine learning for more complex problem solving. Thank you.